and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nika, of course, if you are new. Today, as you can tell from the title, we are going to do a really quick DIY for Halloween. It's going to be kind of a smaller style wreath for Halloween. So I have this little holder, or whatever you want to call it, I purchased at Dollar Tree. I actually purchased this for a Christmas tutorial, but I'm doing something else. Of course, the ribbon I showed you in a couple of, maybe a week or two ago of my Dollar Tree haul, this ribbon here that I'm going to utilize. Googly eyes again, probably this little creepy rat, and these two skeleton heads. These actually came off of like these little stands that I had last year outside the house, but they broke off and I can't find the stand, so I'm going to utilize them in my wreath. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel and you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you click the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Of course, don't forget to check out my social media down below, as well as the links to both my websites and links to some other things down there that you can check out. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we are going to start wrapping this thing. And this is kind of sheer, so I'm just going to do my best to wrap this in a way where all the green is covered. Okay, so I have one less skull that I want to put on here. And it may look a little bulky, but it's Halloween. Who cares, right? So this is what it looks like so far. This would be really awesome if I had some lights I could put on it, but I don't. So I don't know if some of you watched my video from Wednesday of me talking about how I wanted to turn my front yard into a graveyard, Womack graveyard, as I said. So I'm hoping Greg has some spare wood in the garage, because I want to work on that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna randomly place some googly eyes. Okay, so here we have it, our creepy little Halloween wreath that I will be setting somewhere in my home the closer we get to Halloween or outside. This was really quick, really easy, simple. This is just an idea, guys, of how you can decorate or create your own Halloween wreath. I just used some spare pieces and crafts from an earlier project we did this week, and you know, just some things I had left over. These two skulls were broken. I bought this ribbon. I thought I wasn't going to be able to use it for Halloween, but it turns out I did. So it's not the best, and it's really not the way I wanted it, because I thought I had some more fake leaves, but apparently I didn't. So it kind of worked out that the ribbon had gold foil and orange foil leaves on them, because it gives kind of a leafy effect. But this is it. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you share it out. As I stated previously, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers so that I can do a giveaway. Once I get to 10,000, I will announce the giveaway and what the terms will be for that. Also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I upload. All of my social media is down below, and I am going to stress again to make sure you're following me on Instagram, because there you will see more updates about the channel and things that I have going on in my life and the kids' lives. So you'll see more updates and things like that on Instagram. So make sure you're following me there, and I will see all of you next time. Bye!